Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to open Chase Bank account online. First thing you should do is to simply go to Chase Bank website on your browser, and here, as you can see in the main homepage, you'll find here many options of banks. You can see here the checking, credit cards, savings, travel, etc. So first you should choose the suitable one. So I'm gonna choose checking, for example, and after that you will find many other options of the same account. So here, as you can see, I have three types of the checking account. Here you have also the kids and students and the premium, and every one has also subtypes. So I'm going to choose everyday, then I will choose this one right here, Chase Total Checking. Click on open now, and after you click on open now, it will show you this page. Now if you are an existing Chase customer, the process will be easier, but here in my case I'm not a customer, so I'm going to click on this one, then here click on get started. But you need to know that you will need to provide your social security number and your ID or driver's license. So click on get started, and after that they will ask you to enter your first, middle, last name plus the suffix. After that, click on next. Then here it will ask you to enter the date of birth. So I'm going to type it right now. And now you will have to provide your contact info, provide your email address and phone number. And after that, you'll have to enter your home address. Then click on next. They'll ask you for the citizenship info. Are you a US citizen? Here I will click on no. Then you'll have to provide your country of citizenship. Then you will have to tell them if you have a green card or not, or if you are a US resident alien. Then you should click on next. And after that, you will have to enter your social security number. And now here in my case, I do not have it right now, but I will tell you the remaining steps, what you should do in it. After that, they'll ask you to enter a username and password for your account in Chase Bank. Then you will have to provide your driver license and your ID. Then you will have to add some funds in order to create your account. And this depends on which account did you choose. So you will have to enter another bank data if you have one in order to send money from it to your Chase account in order to create the new one. And once you finish all these steps, you are all set. You can now choose your Chase Bank account without any further steps. And please make sure when you provide your driving license or ID, make sure that the photo is clear, visible, and with good illumination. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.